Good evening. I'm Scott Beadle. The COVID-19 vaccination rate for the Hispanic and Latino community has been falling behind. Now the Hispanic Center in Jonesboro is trying to change that. Northeast Arkansas News' Sarah Doan tells us how.
Well, that's right. Hispanic Center of Jonesboro Executive Director Gina Gomez says it's all about educating members of the Hispanic community and debunking common misconceptions about the vaccine.
It's more people that don't have the information, they don't know where to go. In some cases where they were afraid of providing information just because of the immigration issues, having the doctor available to respond to questions that they may have. They may not have health insurance and they think that they have to pay for it.
Another barrier Gomez says people run into when trying to get vaccinated is language.
And not all the providers have interpretation services or somebody on the staff that is bilingual.
To help, Hispanic Center employees and volunteers serve as translators during vaccination events from Jonesboro to small rural communities. They also partner with hospitals to host multiple COVID testing and vaccination clinics targeting the Hispanic community. Gomez says their outreach efforts are paying off.
Compared to some other events, I will say that we have had really good response from our community to our events. I think that the trust that we have built for so many years and the partnerships that we had with so many services providers from previous years have helped to make this a successful process for us.
Gomez also attributes their vaccination success to one unsuspected group: teenagers.
They are really convinced that they need to get vaccinated, and they have helped us in order to convince their relatives, their moms, dads, to get the vaccine. We are working with them with the different educational programs that we provide at the Hispanic Center to make sure that those kids are involved in helping us to do outreach and education.
Now, the good news is those numbers are rising. According to the CDC, over the past 2 weeks, the number of Hispanic and Latino individuals who received at least one dose of the COVID-19 vaccine rose 5%. Sarah Doan, Northeast Arkansas News, Jonesboro.